Hey, this is Tom uh, with CPUPoints, and I'm just checking to make sure that I'm live on the other stream. So just give me a few seconds here and check. Have no idea what to expect. I'm actually testing some things out. Not not entirely sure how this is gonna go, but we're gonna have fun and figure this out, aren't we? Aren't we? I think I am, and I know you are too. Let's see. I am looking to find out. Uh, and I'm looking to see if I am streaming on any other service other than other than Steam. Let's see. Okay, and it looks like that Steam's up. I am checking out the other services real quick because I know I configured it to stream to the other. Okay. It doesn't tell me if I'm streaming or not to the other services though. That kind of uh, that kind of concerns me. So let's see. And let's click on here and let's see if it's working on. Oh, okay. All right. So it's working on you. So it's working on YouTube. So that's good. Hey, this is Tom with CPU Points on YouTube. Okay, and let's see if it's working on Facebook. I have to figure out how to work it on Facebook though. That's the trick. Now, home Facebook. Watch. Oh, looks like it might be. Maybe. We'll see who's coming up on Facebook for. Oh, no, it's not showing up on Facebook. Okay. Well, that's all right. Two out of three ain't bad for the first one, I guess. Unless of course I can figure out what's going on with the stream. Okay, and it looks like that. Let's see. Okay, my stream health on YouTube is um is not too happy on YouTube. So okay, cool. All right, so I have some watching, so that's cool. All right, so say hello. Hopefully I can see what you're saying because I'm learning this whole process. Never done a stream before on YouTube, so I'm looking around for messages and seeing where I can talk to others and according to this thing, it's okay. It's already says it's streaming though, so all right. So let's see. We'll close that window. All right, and okay. All right, so that's looking good. Where's the chat box at? Oh, here we are. All right, so there's the chat box. Okay, found the chat box. All right, that works. Okay, so we found the chat box on that one. We have this going on. Okay, cool. All right, so I've had a little bit of fun, and I'm looking at making some things happen. So let's get to it, shall we? I've been looking forward to open these packages up all week. I'm gonna tell you, it's been taking patience of a saint over here to get these things opened up. So let's go ahead and get these things open because I've been dying to set this whole system up for you guys. So let's see. We have the newer low profile ball head. So this is for the camera. I gotta get out of the box. There we go. Or the bag, I should say. All right. This guy, the camera. Wait a minute. What the hell is this thing? Okay. All right. All right. All right. All right. So the camera attaches to Huh? Okay. So the camera attaches to this plate here, and then I slide this plate onto this thing. There we go. Tighten it down, and then over here when I loosen it, it'll allow me to maneuver the ball. Charlie, now you want to say hello to everybody? Fine, say hello, Charlie. And then I got to go back talking about this. Thank you, Charlie. All right, so this guy, the camera attaches to this side. Over here, it's a 1/4 inch female female connector. So I'll have to adapt it, but that's okay. I have that piece, and then this will allow my camera to face in this direction over the desk. So when I'm working on a computer, you can see that I fine tune what I'm working on. And then we have Charlie. You know, you can't control a cat and tell a cat where he can and can't go, and that's the beauty of a live stream. All right, so this is the adapter that connects to the bottom of the camera mount. And this will allow me to connect to the bottom of the scissor arm. Aha. I'm prepared for this. It's in one of these bags. Nope, not that one. All right, I'm opening up my utility knife from Harbor Freight. It's a Gordon brand, and it just has a razor blade inside of it. Ha, ha, ha. And we just cut open the box. There we go. Open the box this way. And this, I believe, is the video capture card for Hermes. Woohoo! All right, I'm looking forward to open this guy up. It's the AverMedia Live Gamer HD2. And we'll get this box out of my way. And we'll slice it open. Don't need to do it too high. And we're going to go ahead and slice this little bastard open right over here. Open up the gamer media. And this equipment I'm going to be showing on videos on the installation. So it's nicely boxed. It's open up. There we go. All right, it has an HDMI out, HDMI in, audio out, and audio HDMI out. HDMI out, HDMI in, audio out, and audio in ports. So that's how it's going to transfer the sound and the video to the streaming machine, and then back out to the host device. Let's see. In this case, it's going to be my computer. It comes with a stereo, 1/4 inch cable to go, 1/8 inch cable to go between the two devices. So that's nice. And an HDMI cable. Oh, look at this. Some other goodies. So we have the free or warranty extensions, insider program, and they want me to let them know how I did. Okay. And a user guide that explains the ports, how to plug it into the computer, and how it all works. I mean, it's a very simple, basic user guide. And then a simple little user info packet, which I assume Just tells you some basic warnings and information about the card. And the card uses a 1X PCI Express slot. Oh yeah, gotta put these things back in there. So I'm looking forward to putting that bad boy together on a future video this week. It will be this week. I have some more some more parts coming in for that computer. But as soon as the parts come in, I'll do an unboxing video and I'll get that computer hooked up and set up. All right, now what do we got here? Oh yes. Oh, I've got to put this stuff away too. Don't want to leave this behind because then I got to dig around in my parts drawers for components. All right. And we just open up this guy here. There we go. I should bring the trash bag closer to me. All right. Inside of this here box, it's the pop filter, a microphone windscreen, the scissor arm for the microphone, and by the way, I'm waiting on one more scissor arm to come in for the what's it called? For the camera. I just don't know when. This is also a I forgot what this is called, but it's a it's an anti-vibration holder for the microphone. Yeah, junk cable. I gotta dig through my cables because this is an XLR to 1/4-inch adapter, and this is not going, or 1/8-inch adapter. This is not going to work. So, and the newer NW700. It's just a basic condenser mic, but I'm sure it's going to be a lot better than what I'm using now for audio. Instruction manual for the audio that explains how the for the microphone. That describes how the microphone works. Let's see if we can change pages here. And it's just, basic information on how the microphone should be oriented and how it's going to pick up sound, how to hook it up to the computer, etc., etc., etc. And then questions and answers, cautionary information, and all sorts of goodies. A note from Newer saying thank you in all sorts of languages. It says, "Dear customer, thank you for your recent purchase. My name is Lucas Parker, and I'm the Customer Service Director of Newer Technology. Our team is committed to your 100% satisfaction, and we want to know if we met that goal. If for any reason you're not happy for this purchase, please email me at email address, and I will do whatever I can to help out. You can register your Newer product for its free 1-year warranty at newer.com. Thank you. Have a nice day." Yes. Not a bad translation. Okay, and it's just telling me what contents are in the package and telling me that I need to follow instructions to set this up. And this is the desk mount for the scissor arm. What is concerning me though is it doesn't have the adapter for the scissor arm. But I'm thinking that it's already built into the Not that part. Into this. Because this looks like this is the adapter right here. Yep, this is the adapter. So, when I get my other scissor arm, it'll come with this adapter here. See this? This is an adapter. And then the other scissor arm will come with the adapter that'll screw into this guy. And allow me to screw this into the scissor arm like so. And then I can attach the camera to the microphone scissor arm and be able to maneuver the camera over the desk. But in this case, the scissor arm is for the microphone, so the microphone can, so I can utilize the microphone, because the microphone doesn't have any other stand. It came with the scissor arm. However, I avoided eBay for a reason. Sorry, not eBay. I avoided Amazon for a reason, because Amazon said they weren't going to ship my ship any products until the 6th of May. And I'm like, I can't wait till the 6th of May for products to come in. I have a show to put together, and I have I have obligations I have to meet, and there's no way I can wait till the 6th of May for a for a product to come in. And what happens? The one company on eBay, they ship from Amazon. They use Amazon fulfillment. So what does that mean? That means I'm waiting until the 6th of May for my scissor arm to come in, and I've been looking everywhere for another scissor arm to get today. And yeah, suffice to say, this whole COVID-19 thing has been driving me up the wall. And all right, and see, this is the microphone part, and the microphone connects into this guy like so. Hey, oh, that's how. Microphone connects like so, and then I attach this guy over here to the arm, and I put the filter over the microphone, and that's how this little guy hooks up. Gentle with all that stuff, 'cause microphones are fragile. All right. Okay, I'm looking forward to hooking that guy up and setting that up for the show, or for the show. I have no idea where I'm going to stash this thing. No idea whatsoever. I have an extreme limited space. But this is this is something I wanted for a long time. This is the difference between crappy audio and good audio. Oh, look at this. It says, Pitbull Audio, thanks for your order. Visit us at whatever, save 15, and that Army 5% cash back. Yep, a nice little postcard from Pitbull Audio. Ooh, stuff my children would like. The poppy things. And the bubble wrap. And the mix board. I've been drooling over this mix board for a while. I host a radio show on Subspace Radio, and I've been drooling over picking this thing up for quite some time. Ooh. So let's see. Got all sorts of boxiness and guts in the box. Oh wow, it's a lot smaller than I thought it was going to be. All right, that's good. It was just a big box inside of another big box, which was just full of fluff. Okay. It's much smaller. than I anticipated. Okay, good. You know, it's not like I didn't work on other boards in the past. But the other mix boards were much larger. This is a baby mix board, actually. It's a cute little thing. Where's my knife? There it is. This is what's going to fix the sound on this show. Right here, this bad boy. It has inputs 1 through 4. I can barely hold it, but I'm gonna definitely give more information because I'm reading it from the upside down. So I'm able to control the FX. Really? FX? Okay. So what kind of FX effects does this have here? Oh, I really want to play with this thing and see what it does. All right. So it has the it has gain control up here on the top. Okay, gain control will is basically increasing the volume of the gain control controls the volume of the sound, and then it has the equalizer to control the high, mid and low levels. And then allows me to put a low level cut on there, which presumably cuts the low levels out completely. This is the FX toggle, and this is the pan. The pan will allow me to switch between left speaker and right speaker. And this is the levels. So this looks like this might be the gain right here. Okay. All right. And this again controls mic 1, input 2, input 3, and input 4. This one over here will control input 7 and 8. This line right here will control inputs 11 and 12. And then inputs 5, 6, 9, and 10 are all software done on performed on the computer. Well, I can't wait to play with this. Okay, it also has a power in and a USB a USB a full-size USB-B connector, which will send out to the go out to the computer. It's a USB 2.0 interface. So this is going to be a lot of fun to set up. This is the USB cable. I'm not putting this down. I'm going to leave this right up here. Slide it right up. Because I'm actually going to work on hooking that up today. And we have a few other goodies. A Behringer sticker. Ooh, I like stickers. I might hold out to give the stickers to my kids though. Let's see. Important notes concerning installation. So important notes concerning installation. In other languages. Oh, never mind. This is ESD, electric static discharge notice. So, and quick start guide. Yay! All sorts of warnings. You see all those warnings? Thing's gonna kill me. Let's see. And shows how different devices are hooked up. And explains all the different components of the, or points out different components on the mix board. Talks about all the inputs. the definitions of all the numbers that were on the previous diagrams. And that's it for English. It's more in different languages. Let's see, anything else in English, or is it all? All right. Specifications of the Behringer. And an FCC warning. Yay! All right, and that's it for the for that little bit of documentation. Put all that with the Behringer here. Actually, take all this stuff and put this into the box that the Behringer came, because that's a huge box. All right. And Behringer's power block. It is a doesn't say. Oh, here it is. All right. It has a 120 volt AC 60 hertz 31 watt input. It has two output settings. It is a 2 by 17.5 voltage AC / 2 by 650 milliamp. Output 2 is a 3.0 voltage voltage amp to a 100 milliamp. So this is a pretty hefty power block. I'm kind of excited about this. I'm gonna put that on top of the Behringer. We're gonna put it next to it though. All right. Hermes display. I love ViewSonics. Always had a soft spot for ViewSonic displays. And I've been chomping at the bit to open this bad boy up. I haven't had a ViewSonic display in over 10 years. Man, do I miss it. Alright. Let's see. Alright. Playing with some. This was a Best Buy purchase. Best Buy, by the way, is open. They're doing a curb service, and for some reason they thought it was a great idea to tape every orifice on this thing with packing tape. All right. Ooh. A stand. Audio cable. So this thing has a speaker inside of it. VGA cables. Yeah, it's just a 1080p display. I mean, you know, I don't need much for video editing on an older machine. Ah! Ay caramba! Oh, power cord. Any more surprises? And we have the base. Yay, the base. Woohoo! Okay, and we have the base. This is just a standard 20-inch display with hope you got it as an HDMI cable, because that would just outright suck if it didn't. All right. And we're going to hook this up now. All right. So So this display has all the buttons on the bottom and all the inputs also on the bottom. But yeah, it's interesting. It does have a built-in speaker. It's... Wow. Okay. All right, that's something I'm not used to seeing every... Ah! Huh. Hmm. I didn't see that coming. Okay. All right, so this guy doesn't have a... an HDMI cable. It's okay. I have a DVI to HDMI adapter. There we go. And it hooks up just like that. I wonder why it didn't come with the DVI to HDMI adapter. I mean, you know, it's not like I anticipate on using VGA cable. I mean, hell, what video cards have a VGA cable still? All right. Well, I'm gonna have to pull a DVI to HDMI cable adapter out. That's all. That's not a big deal. Not a big deal at all. And not a bad little display. It tilts a little bit. All right, I'm looking forward to hooking this guy up too. Yeah, that's definitely going to be a fun project. I can't believe they didn't give me an HDMI cable, a DVI cable, or even a DVI to HDMI adapter, or whatever. Let's see, we got. Oh, look at this! Warnings and instructions on how to clean my my monitor. Yay! And a pull-out sheet with all sorts of warnings and specifications and what have yous, and all like different languages. Hooray! All right, so there's some of the cool stuff. Now, I also bought some tools. That's right, tools. I love tools. And tools couldn't be any better than if you had to work on some wood projects. Yeah, I have some wood projects in mind. So let's get started on some of the tools. We'll get this one out first because it's right near me. Woohoo! I love tools. Tools make me happy. All right. And yeah, don't make fun of me. I went to Harbor Freight and just bought the Harbor Freight stuff. And I don't like battery operated tools. So let's see what we got here. The owner's manual. Telling me warnings. How to plug it into the wall. More electrical information. How to use the tool. And how to take it apart. Oh, wow, this is a nice one. Is this chuckless? Oh, wow, this is chuckless too. Nice. Okay. All right. This here is my new drill. It is a 3/8 inch drill. It doesn't say about horsepower or anything, but I'm sure it'll meet my needs for... Oh, I can even lock it in place. That's nice. this will meet my needs for many different projects, from drilling into annoying bolts that don't want to come out to drilling holes in the back of desks where I can run cable, and drilling holes in the walls. All right. So yes, this is going to come in handy, especially when I build the shelf and the computer towers. Yeah, I said it. Computer towers made out of wood. So this is going to come in handy. All right, looking forward to using that guy. If I can put it all away, that'd be even better. You know, nothing says manly like a whole bunch of tools. All right. Another tool for our for the wood projects. Yeah, it's another Harbor Freight goodie. Ugh. Okay, note to self: don't lose the wrench. If I lose the wrench, I won't be able to change out the blades. Oh my God, this is beautiful. All right. Huh. Oh, I guess this is some kind of a guide or gauge or something. Okay, cool. I'll figure out how to hook that up in a minute. So this is the circular saw. 7 1/4 inch circular saw, and it says it has a laser guide. So I'm assuming that this right here is the laser. So when I'm lining it up on my lines and cutting, this should guide me nicely. And it looks like this will also raise and lower according to. Ooh, yes, it will raise and lower. So if I wanted to cut grooves into wood and not cut completely through the wood, this'll do it by pushing in the button no, that's the blade protector. Where's the part that okay, there's the blade protector. And where's the part that I'm gonna have to pull out the manual and figure that out. Didn't come with the manual. Whoever thought that a power tool didn't come with a manual? The other one came with something that resembled a manual. This guy just came with a saw. Even better. I'll just cut myself open with this thing now. Oh my gosh, this is going to be interesting to say the least. All right. That's how that goes. So this is a guide, actually. I like that. To ensure I cut straight lines. Nice. I like this a lot. All right. Oh, here it is right here. All right. So this controls the angle. Thought I had something that would have controlled the height. I guess not. Oh well. At least I can control the angle, and I can and I have a guide that'll ensure I cut straight, so that works. I'm kind of happy about that. You know, a nice straight line cuts. Yeah, I'll figure out more how to use this as time goes. Last time I built something out of wood, it was my desk. It was an extremely cheap little desk. I'm gonna actually tape this to the to the saw. drill bits, 29-piece drill bit set. And luck would have it, ha! Don't think I was supposed to cut it like that. There we go. Maybe. It doesn't want to open, man. Oh. There we go. Perfect. 29-piece drill bits. They're like pages of a book. That is actually pretty darn nifty. So that lifts up, and I can go to a... What's the damn size on this guy? 1/2 inch. And they're lubricated. Nice. Beautiful blades. Beautiful, beautiful. All the way down to a... all the way down to a little itty bitty. I can't even read the number. Maybe it's on the thing. Because I can't see it. All the way down to a little itty bitty 1/16 inch of an inch. This little tiny itty bitty thing. I'm excited. I like having tools. And you can't be doing woodwork without a sander. Otherwise, you're gonna get splinters when you when you're using your furniture. A manual, yes, a manual. I love the smell of new electronics. No matter if it's a power tool or a computer, they all leave like this wonderful scent and aroma. I love it. I just love that smell of electric motor. Oh, it's heavenly. All right. Some information about safety. How to plug it in. Don't circumvent the ground. Diagram of the sander. How to hook up the dust bag. And how to take it apart. All right, cool deal. It's for people like my kid who like to take everything apart and see how it works. She's 5. And let's see here. Typical man. He doesn't read directions. What the hell am I doing? Oh, yes, that's how. Oh my God, this thing's... There we go. Perfect. And that's how the bag goes on. And then it gets fought off, and that should prevent sand from getting in my face, it looks like. And this is like a Velcro type of material. This is the bag. So I guess it has like a vacuum that sucks all the sawdust up and puts it into this bag over here, which I'm looking forward to seeing. So that's off. That's on. And I guess this thing works by works by vibration. All right. As they say, oh wait, there's more. Yes, I'm looking forward to, I told you I have projects galore for this channel. So let's see. I'm not even going to cut this open yet because I'm not ready for them yet, but this is the 60 grit sandpaper. The plywood blade. Construction blade. Aha, I could open something. These bits are cool. I like these bits. These bits are some of my bits. So I was expecting. Oh, yeah, okay, cool. Alright, so what these do is these drill holes into wood. So what you do is you either take it like, aha. So the way it works is the drill goes into the tape, goes into the it first drills a pilot hole into the desk or whatever, into the wood, and then it spins it down and it creates a hole the size of the blade. And I have all sorts of sizes here. It goes from this wee tiny little guy, which is 25 millimeter, 32 millimeter, 44 millimeter, 54 millimeter, 33 millimeter, 51 millimeter, 57 millimeter. These are oiled too, so they're really greasy, like greasy, grimy gopher guts. And 64 millimeter. Boy, am I glad I did the tools on the last part, because wow, they're really greasy. See, my fingers are all like black and nasty. Yeah. That's right. All these purchases are for this show. Ooh, a manual. Gotta have the owner's manual. They have an owner's manual for everything. Owner's manual. Oh, yeah. See, it even shows you how it gets taken apart and how it gets put together again. And then the last page talks about operation. And these are for plastic and wood, so I can cut through plastic and wood material with this. All right. I'm running out of room on the desk. It's a beautiful thing. Actually, we'll put it all back in the bag. You know, I'll take the... Looks like I can fight with the blade a little bit here. Show you the blade real quick. You know what? I'm not going to tempt fate because I'm accident prone. That's why I'm not opening the blades up. And the reason I'm not opening up the sandpaper, because there's like 6 sheets in each one of these boxes. But yeah, that's a 60 grit. Where did my, oh, there they are. All right. I also have 120 grit and 240 grit sandpaper for that sander. So that's that bag. Oh wait, there's more. Drill guide kit. Always have a sharp object in hand. Always have one. Because you never know when you got to cut open these godforsaken blister packs. Oh my god, I love this thing. Oh, do I love this thing. All right. Let's open this up and I'll show you real quick. In today's world, we take a screw. Like this number 2 bit right here. We put it in here. The screw. We try and get it started. We hold on to the screw and the damn thing goes everywhere, right? Well, what you do is you take the screw, attach it, pull it down, push it in on until it stays put, and then you hit the button on the drill and it starts drilling it in. This is friggin' fantastic. Oh my god, that is like better than I was thinking. And this is a and this is just an adapter from to hook up to a drill. But you can't say that having this adapter isn't a godsend. I mean, heck, my daughter's gonna love that. Oh wait, she's too young to be using power tools. Darn it. Oh well, she can use it without the drill. But yes, it is a fun tool. All right. Yes. You're gonna laugh. I don't have one of these. It is God's answer to measuring things. 25 foot by 1 inch tape measure. This is that is cool. I like the green screen effect. Woohoo! Ooh, my face is gone. You can see the roadway behind me. My chest. Okay. So yes, the reason for the tape measure is because I had to measure the area behind my monitors. I am going to build a shelf to stack above the monitor, above the towers, where I'm going to put the power and send the power down between the no, I'm wrong. I'm putting the towers on top. Then I'm putting and then I'm going to keep the power strips and the UPS is on the bottom behind the monitors, and I'm gonna and I'm using that tool, the other tool, to drill behind the desk to send the power cables and the other cables down through the desk into the into the back of the wall and plug them into the outlet. Because right now everything's stretched, and I'm not liking the way how it's set up. That's the reason I picked up those boring bits. And yes, I will be recording myself doing this work. So it is one of those videos that is kind of part of technology, not really part of technology, but it is because it's part of what I'm doing for my YouTube videos. So I am excited. I'm looking forward to hooking up the Behringer and a few of the other items. I'm looking forward to creating the wood projects. I'm just behind on some of the projects. I have, for instance, Hermes doesn't have a hard drive. I have 2 SSDs coming in for Hermes. Hermes, by the way, is my streaming box. So I have 2 SSDs coming in for Hermes. I have let's see, it's 2 SSDs, and oh no, that's all Hermes needs is 2 SSDs, and he's good to go. So once the SSDs come in, I'll record putting all the parts into Hermes. I'll go into some detail about the parts, because this is a this is a how-to channel, and I cater to not just us more experienced people, but also with to the novices. And if they want to know what parts are, well, I'll be happy to educate. And that's the reason I put this desk here in front of my displays, because, well, um, I need this place to work. Um, do box openings and whatever have you. So I'm having fun. I'm looking forward to getting more of this completed. Please like and subscribe if you enjoyed the video. I will be reviewing these items as I use them, and give out some actual information about how happy I am with the products. And thank you for viewing a CPU Points video.